Hey there! This is a very special video on high demand from mommies and daddies like you. As kids hit the schools in person again, I am taken back to my memories of childhood. The most fond memories of school I have are sharing tiffin with my friends. Most school days would start with, Mama, aaj tiffin mein kya hai? A question kids swear by and mommies care by. After 2 years of online schooling, this question is back to haunt us. रोज क्या नया बनाएं जो न्यूट्रिशियस हो और मज़ेदार भी? Fret not, our nutritionist and mom Ankita Vaidya also goes through the same struggle with her 8-year-old. To make sure that he gets his nutrition but in a fun way, she has nutri-crafted easy to make tiffin ideas from Monday to Friday. Today, I'm going to recreate these fun recipes just for you. Let's blow away the Monday blues with a chatpata chaat. चाट को न्यूट्रिशियस बनाने के लिए आई एम स्वैपिंग ट्रेडिशनल चाट विद स्प्राउट्स. A super easy and healthy recipe. Simply mix onions, tomatoes and cucumbers with sprouts. Add in some spices and give it a nice toss. Add a slice of lemon and a slide of some save and peanuts for some crunch. I prefer keeping them separate so that this does not get soggy. You can also add a small drink of shikanji to beat the heat. This tiffin is filled with nutrients and is tasty enough to make kids eat their sprouts without tantrums. Tasty bhi, healthy bhi. Now for Tuesdays, let's rely on a mouth-watering Frankie, but with a twist. Frankie healthy बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए the good old roti sabzi. Take a roti and add a sauce spread to it. I am using garlic sauce. You can add whatever you like. Top it with onion, peppers, tomatoes and cucumbers. And now add the sabzi. I am adding Aloo Mutter. You can use any sabzi your munchkin likes. Finish it with some shredded cheese and roll it up. As a surprise element, I made a roll with jaggery and ghee. Cut these into bite-sized swirls and arrange them randomly so that each bite is a new flavor. Add a side of bundi raita to complete the meal and beat the heat. Easy bhi, healthy bhi. Because Wednesday is a sandwich between the start and the end of the week, I am packing protein and energy-rich mini sandwiches. Simply mix grated paneer with mayo, onions, peppers, oregano, chili flakes, salt and some cheese. Butter your bread and spread some mint chutney on it. Top it with the paneer mix and toast it. Cut into bite-sized pieces to make the sandwich easy to eat. Add a pack of sauce on the side. For some crunch, add a few cherry tomatoes. To make it a sweet deal, you can also add a small piece of dark chocolate. This is an easy to make wholesome meal filled with nutrients. Yummy bhi, healthy bhi. Making Thursdays fun, we are making pinwheels. Colorful and yummy rolls. In grown-up language, Moong dal ka Chilla. This can be made as simple Chilla, or you can add some veggies on the top to make it more interesting. Layer it up and add sauce plus chutney. Mix in the between. Then roll it tight and cut into bite-sized pieces. To make it look like pinwheels, add them to a toothpick and top it with a cherry tomato. Complement it with some homemade mint or coriander chutney and a simple raita. This helps in combating the heat big time. For a sweet treat, pair it with dates. This will keep the little one energized throughout the day. A simple but power-packed meal. Pretty bhi, healthy bhi. Fridays are my absolute favorite. Pancakes. Yes, pancakes can be healthy too. Plus, they are the easiest to make. Substitute the sugar with the banana while making the pancakes. Lightly butter them and top with honey or maple syrup. Add a few berries to go with it, or pair with a side of honey or maple syrup as a dip. And for a visual treat, I am making roses out of strawberries. Add some crunch with walnuts to complete the meal. To make sure this scrumptious meal is also healthy, I swap the flour with whole wheat or ragi flour. Same taste without the bad stuff. Favorite bhi, healthy bhi. Each of these meals are crafted keeping in mind the balance of all the macros and micros. As the kids enjoy their tasty snacks, we can rest assured that they are getting all the nutrients and building their health. For detailed recipes, Click on the link here or find the link in the description below. Want some such healthy ideas that can fit your choosy eater's palate? Stay tuned with us. Don't forget to like and share this video. Our aim is to make healthy food easy to make and most importantly tasty.